So as you can see, we've created a very basic type of game. So for step 5, what we're going to do is we're going to create some obstacles and power-ups. So looking at this, what we're going to do is we're actually going to go to the stage, and we're going to go to the backdrops. They do already give you a predetermined one, but for this case, we're going to actually get rid of that. We're going to draw our own power-ups. Down here at the bottom is your line width. So as you move this from left to right, you're going to actually increase in width. So we're going to add some power-ups here. I'm going to use a line width that's a little bit more relative to the backdrop itself. So I'm going to create an arrow here. Maybe I'll create an arrow here. Maybe I'll add a smaller, harder to reach arrow down here. Maybe I'll create an arrow that pushes you in this direction. Maybe one that makes you go quicker here. And maybe one last one here. So based off from here, we have our color white. So now we're going to use this actually as a sensing aspect. So what makes this very nice is that it makes it very easy to code. So now what we can do is inside of this forever loop, we can actually just add another line of code that would happen simultaneously. If you want it to actually happen instead of being in this same forever loop, what you can do also is actually write it as a separate line of code. You can just add it to the same loop, however. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to actually add a if statement. So if this, so if then function, so I'm going to add this right down here at the bottom. So if, and I'm going to use the same thing as I did here for the sensing operator. So I'm going to say if touching, and I'm going to use this as the color white. So I'm going to use this white here. Then what do I want it to do? Well, I just want it to speed up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is move a little bit quicker. So instead of moving 10 steps, I'm going to just move 3 steps quicker, and we're going to test this. So I'm going to hit the green arrow. As I hit this white piece, you can see that I speed along a little bit quicker than typically would. So if I catch that other one, oh, but I went too fast, and I ended up hitting the wall. So this is a nice way to make sure that you are indeed adding a power-up. In this case, our boosters, so that we can move a little bit quicker to increase our time to see how fast we can reach our end goal.